G'day everyone, Leigh Martinuzzi here with another weekly real estate market update. Wow, what an incredible start to 2021. We've seen amazing price growth in the property sector. The biggest gain since 2004 that we've seen. And this year across Australia, the figures are in 13.5% lift in property prices. Now, some areas are certainly outperforming others. And the reason for that, I think, is the COVID pandemic certainly shaking things up. People are now comfortable working remotely. People are looking to move away from the inner city environment to find a bit more space, to find a little bit of a larger property. And that's certainly driving the moves to regional areas around Australia. In regional areas, we've seen a 17.5% growth this year compared to the capital cities of 12.5%. The housing sector is certainly outperforming the unit sector, and that goes without explaining. So what we've seen in the last quarter, interestingly enough, is that the amount of properties coming to the market is actually 7.9% above the 5-year average. And in the last quarter, that meant there was approximately 126,000 properties listed for sale. But buy demand is huge, and it's certainly absorbing all that extra property that's coming to the market. In the same quarter, there was 167,000 properties sold. So we just can't seem to keep up. But we have noticed a slight easement, and an analysis by CoreLogic that assessed the top 25% of high-end properties show that it, for the first time in 9 months, has actually fallen in value. It's still up, but it has fallen a bit. And usually that means there's going to be a flow-on effect to other segments in the property market. So we have seen a slight increase on time on the market. I think it's about 29 days across Australia. In the local area here in Brisbane, Queensland, the Sunshine Coast, sitting at around 36 days. Look, I've got a full market wrap for you to read. I'll stick a link in the notes below. So click on that if you want to have a read. Now, if you think prices are becoming a little bit unaffordable, I did hear news just recently from a developer that down in Sydney, some of the new units are actually selling for $60,000 per square meter. Now that's a 100 square meter unit. That's about $6 million. So thankfully you're not buying, or potentially not buying, a unit down there. Anyway, that's my weekly wrap, guys. A lot of exciting properties coming to the market soon. If you are looking to buy in the local area, give us a call. I've got this beautiful Queenslander coming soon with a fantastic bit of opportunity there. And there's a few other things coming as well. So give us a call. We'd love to help you. 0490 812 205. We'll talk soon.